This is the Yunzi AL98, a full aluminum gasket-mounted mechanical keyboard that brings a premium feel to a full-size productivity layout. In this video, I'm going to tell you why this heavy beast might be the ultimate upgrade for your home office. Let's get into it. My name is Patrick and this is Everyday Tech for everyday people. On this channel, I've reviewed a number of different keyboards, from the typewriter-inspired QL75 all the way to my everyday keyboards from Skylong and Yunzi. Now, full disclosure, Yunzi did reach out to me, asked me if I'd take a look at this keyboard. Although they did provide this keyboard to me for a review, they're not seeing this video before it goes up. All my opinions are my own. The first thing you'll notice about the AL98 is its weight. This is made of CNC aluminum and weighs about 2,175 grams. That is almost 5 pounds. This thing is solid, well built, and does not flex at all, giving you that premium look, premium feel that I look for in a desk setup. Now, when I say this is solid, I really mean it. With the coating that's on the outside of this frame on the aluminum, I originally thought this was made out of some kind of stone, like a countertop stone. I even had to email Yunzi to ask him and confirm what the material of this keyboard was. This uses an 1800 keyboard layout, which means you get 101 keys with a dedicated number pad in a compact 96% form factor. This is perfect for those who are looking for keyboards to maximize their productivity, yet save a little space on their desktop setup. Now, this has a gasket mount structure and it has multiple layers of sound dampening, which is designed to reduce vibration and kind of give you that deep, thocky sound, which keyboard enthusiasts love. Like many of the keyboards that I've recently reviewed, this has tri-mode connectivity. You can connect this via the USB-C cable, or you can connect it to 3 devices using Bluetooth 5.0, or you can use the 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle, which is hidden behind this magnetic cover here. You can easily switch between the different devices with different keyboard shortcuts, and it does support different layouts with Windows, Mac, and Android. One standout spec for this keyboard is its battery life. Now, a lot of recent keyboards that I've reviewed have struggled with the longevity of a battery life, but not this keyboard. This packs a massive 8,000 milliamp battery, which means that you can go multiple days, even weeks of extended work times or even gaming marathons without having to hunt around for a charging cable. Out of the box, you're getting double shot PBT keycaps. These are very durable and won't develop that greasy shine look over time. Now, I will say, just like the Yunzi B75 Pro and some other keyboards I've recently reviewed, these are not shine-through keycaps. The backlight shines behind and around the keycaps, but not through the keycaps. Now, this is a deal killer for some, but of course you can switch out the keycaps to the keycaps that you do want to have. The LEDs are south-facing, which makes it great for compatibility if you want to swap out the keycaps. Now, speaking of swapping out, the PCB is hot swappable, supporting 3-pin and 5-pin switches. The switches I have here are pre-lubed linear switches, which are very smooth, even right out of the box. Now, the exact ones I have here are the linear cream switches. Now, I usually say that the software that's used to program and customize these keyboards is usually the weakest part of these keyboards. The AL98 is a little bit better because it is QMK/VIA programmable, meaning you can use a web-based interface to reliably customize the keyboard, remap the keys, or create macros for you. Now, I'm not going to demo that software here, but I have done it in past keyboard reviews as well. So let's do a quick sound test so you can hear that gasket-mounted aluminum housing in action. I'll be comparing this to the Yunzi B75 Pro, and hopefully you can hear some subtle differences. Of course, these sound tests over YouTube is not always an exact science, but hopefully you can get a good idea of how this sounds. Future Patrick here. I realize I never give you my thoughts on the results of the test, and I will say that I do prefer the B75 Pro a little bit better. It has a little bit deeper sound, but the AL98 does have a really good sound. As far as feel is concerned, the AL98 feels a little bit better because of the solid construction of the frame itself. The other thing I will say is in picking up the B75 Pro, it feels like a toy compared to the AL98 just because of how sturdy and hefty the AL98 frame is. So what do I think of the Yunzi AL98 mechanical keyboard? Now, if you want a high-end, heavy-duty mechanical keyboard with a number pad, this is a great value. At $109 sale price as of this recording, getting a full CNC aluminum QMK compatible keyboard is hard to beat. I would recommend this to professionals who do a lot of data entry or just a lot of typing in general, or gamers who just want a rock solid fixture on their desk. It's not as portable as your plastic 75% layout keyboard, but the build quality is on another level. On their website, you can only get this with 2 different linear switches. So if you want more of that tactile feel, you're going to have to purchase some switches later on. Now, thanks again to Yunzi for sending this out to me. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Until the next one, see ya.